Acting President Gwede Mantashe has urged his Freedom Day, has used his Freedom Day address to call for unity among different races in the country. He was delivering the keynote address at the National Freedom Day commemorations in Ermelo in Mpumalanga. Mantashe is acting president due to President Cyril Ramaphosa's ill health. Mantashe has also urged the people of South Africa to reject racial divisions as the country celebrates the 31st anniversary of democracy.
On the 27th of April 1994, the dignity of South African people, black and white, was restored. Many people believe that the freedom in 1994 only liberated black people. What they don't understand is that it liberated one people from doing something immoral. Apartheid was declared an evil against humanity. When it was destroyed in 1994, every South African was liberated from that evil against humanity. And that is what we should be celebrating. That's why we are here today and celebrating. And so on the Freedom Day, I call on all South Africans to remember how far we've come to this and our shared journey. Because if you forget the journey, you forget the reality that faces you. Let us commit ourselves to the ideas of our Constitution and to pursuit of human dignity. No matter how difficult times may be, let us stand united. Let us not turn away from the difficult task of building a more just and more equal South Africa. That task is in our face. We must do it. We can't run away from it. Let us continue to nourish the flames of freedom and protect it so it may be passed to future generations.